Hey everyone, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. In it, we're going to be going over this Texas site selection model for Bojangles. Let's just jump right into this interactive map. Over here to the top right, you can see we've got these three little icons. This first one is going to be your legend, letting you know that what we're looking at. Over here, you've got the Bojangle existing locations, and as you scroll in, the bigger the logo, the more highly visited this thing is in terms of cell phone traffic over the past 12 months. And so what we did was we just looked at each one of these locations, and we're trying to solve for, in the machine learning model, why some of these locations are extremely big and why some of them are less visited. So in order to do that, we built a machine learning model. After we built the machine learning model and ran over 20,000 demographic variables to see what was the correlation that could explain the difference in visitors, here we've got a correlation value according to the model of 0.82, so we are roughly explaining 82% of the variance between these sites. And then over here, this number right here, our correlation value, 82%, our model is good at predicting. Over here, you've got the mean absolute percentage error. So inside this model, we got a good 82% correlation, and when we're off by roughly 32% on all of these numbers. So this value is extremely good. This one is okay. Now that we've got this site selection model and a little bit about it, here we can just zoom into the Texas area, and we placed a dot over every single intersection that this retailer could possibly go to. And in red is where we think they're going to do a lot better than wherever you see a blue dot. Blue dots means they're going to have lower predicted values. So as we scroll over the entire state, you can see what's going on. If we're in Houston, you can see that a lot of the times these people are going to do well on these highways that are in small towns along major thoroughfare traffic areas. So if we go down to this market, you can see this Worlton, El Campo. Immediately around in the Houston area, we think that they're going to do good right here on this Highway 105 to the east of Conroe. So this is the lay of the land in terms of where we think Bojangles is going to have a higher visitor count, all based upon their existing locations. Let me know if you got any questions about this analysis.